Today I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart in Shopify with the Dawn theme. This is a really useful feature, especially if you're selling clothing or shoes, as it helps customers find the right fit and reduces returns. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to Shopify.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Online Store, and then right underneath it, click on Pages. This is where you'll create a dedicated page for your size chart. Now, on the upper right corner of the Pages section, you'll see a button that says Add Page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to input a name for your new page. Go ahead and type something like size chart so it's clear what this page is for. This page will act as the container for your size chart image. Next, focus on the Content field. You'll see a small image icon somewhere in the toolbar. Click on it, and this will allow you to either add an image or upload a new one. If you've already uploaded your size chart image to Shopify, you can simply select it from your library. Once you've selected it, click Done to insert it into the page. If you haven't uploaded it yet, you can upload it at this stage too. After the image is inserted, you'll want to make sure it's aligned properly. Click on the alignment option and set it to center. This ensures your size chart looks neat and professional. Then, on the left side of the page, you'll see a section labeled Visibility. Make sure it's set to visible so that your customers can actually see this page. Once that's done, click the Save button at the bottom to save your new page. Now that your size chart page is created, it's time to integrate it into your product pages. On the left side menu under Online Store, click on Themes. You'll see your Dawn theme listed there. Beside it, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Once you're in the theme editor, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a drop-down that says Homepage. Click on it and a menu will appear. From there, select Products and then click on Default Product. This is the template that controls how your product pages look. On the left side, you'll see the Product Information section. Click on it, then click Add Block. From the list of blocks that appears, select Collapsible Row. This is the feature that will allow you to add an expandable section to your product page. Now you'll want to customize this collapsible row. On the left side, you'll see a field where you can name it. Type in size chart so customers know what it is. Just below that, you'll see an option to choose an icon. You can set it to ruler, which is a perfect visual cue for sizing information. Next, you'll see a field labeled Row Content from Page. Click Select, and then choose the size chart page you created earlier. This links your collapsible row directly to that page, so when customers click on it, they'll see your size chart image. To preview how it looks, click Activate Inspector at the top of the screen. Then try clicking on the collapsible row you just created. It should expand and display your size chart. This gives you a real-time preview of what your customers will see. Once everything looks good, click the Save button on the upper right corner to finalize your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a size chart to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.